All right, guys, tech, car, and gun fanatics, we are pulling up Bass Pro Shop. See what they have this week. Inventory's been looking good in a lot of places. Didn't look too good in Walmart, but we're about to see what's going on now. See if people are paying attention to the inventory and see if people are really shopping now, starting to buy it with those freaking high prices. But we are pulling up right now to Bass Pro Shops, guys. You see it. There it is right there, guys. So I'm about to find a parking spot here. She dirty. All right, guys, so let's go up in here. We are about to go up in this awesome place and see what they have here. Here we go, guys. Give me a sports boat one day. Once this YouTube money get even better, I'll be able to get one of these bad boys. Nice. We are walking here right now, guys. All right. Excuse me, you all. All right, guys, we are at the Bass Pro Shops, and it looks like they have a lot of ammo here. Look at that. Check it out. All right, so we're about to go over some of this ammo real quick. All right, so it looks like you got your 40 Smith & Wesson 180 grain full metal jacket. Okay, and that's $29.99, and you get 50 of those in the pack there. All right, you also have your white box Winchester 40 Smith & Wesson 165 grain, $27.99. It's 50 in a pack with that one right there. You have your Sierra, which is $24.99, and there's 20 cartridges in that, guys. It's 9mm, and you get 20 of them in that right there. All right, you got your Federal, a 9mm Luger, $32.99, 124 grain, and you get 20 cartridges in that. This is pretty good stuff. You get your Ammo Incorporated, 9mm, 115 grain, and it's $17.99. And let's see how many you get in that. Can't really tell. No, you get 20 cartridges in that, guys. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
You got your 450 Bushmaster here, 250 grain, $39.99. And trying to see how many you get with that one. You have your 300 Blackout. A lot of you guys been asking about that on the channel. You got Sierra, $31.99, 20 cartridges on that, 115 grain. All right, 6.8 millimeter, $34.99. And how many do you get with that? 120 grain. You get 20 cartridges with that, guys. 6mm Creedmoor, $42.99. 108 grain, $42.99. Of course, you got your 223 rounds Winchester, 20 rounds, 55 grain, $27.99. Oh, you need some help?
No, I'm calling to see what happened.
Oh, okay. All right, you got your 223 rounds Remington, $30.99 right here, 62 grain. And it looks like you get 20 in there, right there. You also have your Winchester 223 64 grain for $34.99. And that's 64 grain, guys.
You got an answer, they just said that.
You have your 350 Legend 145 grain full metal jacket. And let's see what that is. What do I say? thinking, yeah, there it is right there, guys. It's $15.99 for that right there. All right, and you get a total of 20 in that pack right there. All right.
Yeah. Right, yes. Yeah, I'm just seeing that.
You have that right there, guys.
Right.
You have your 9mm Remington Luger full metal jacket, 115 grain. That's going for $20.99, and you get 50 in a pack with that. Notorious Blazer 40 Smith & Wesson, 180 grain, 50 rounds in that, guys. They got a lot of that. Is $27.99, and you get 50 of them in that. Some more good stuff right here. Critical Defense 40 Smith & Wesson, 165 grain, 20 cartridges, $32.99. You have your 40 Smith & Wesson right there. That's 180 grain, and it looks like it's $29.99. You get 50 in a pack with that. All right, you got your Federal American Eagle 40 Smith & Wesson, 165, $32.99. You get a pack of 50 with that, guys. More, you got Federal Green Box Smith & Wesson, 120 grain, $37.99. You get a pack of 50 in that. 40 Smith & Wesson, 165 grain. Get a value pack there, guys. It's 100 rounds value pack for $52.99. All right, 165 grain. You got another value pack. Remington 40 Smith & Wesson, 180 grain, $59.99. You get 100 rounds with that, guys. Now here goes one that I've never seen before. You get the Remington 22 long rifle, brass plated, and that looks like that's $44.99. And it looks like you get 525 in that value pack. All right, 9mm Luger, 115 grain, 200 rounds, $79.99. All right, you got the big boy box right here, guys, $189.99, 115 grain, 9mm, big boy, 500 rounds, Winchester white box. All right, you got some Winchester here also, 9mm, 50 rounds, 115 grain. Looks like it's $20.99. You get 50 rounds with that. All right. 223 Remington, 55 grain. Yellow and green box, $30.99. You get 20 cartridges with that, guys.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, here we go, boys. It's 7.62 by 51. 20 rounds for $24.99. All right, and you get a total of 20 rounds with that. All right, you have your Sig Sauer 223 Remington 40 grain, $27.99. All right, looks like it's some varmint and predator tips there. Let's see how many you get with that. You get 20 rounds with that, guys.
So one box, 2 sets.
You have your 20 rounds.
Better than no box.
Yeah,
Federal.
that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to find it. And I'm like maybe
I know
I'm in
nothing
the wrong
about
spot
this
because all I see is yeah.
224
Yeah, why not?
Valkyrie. It's $19.99.
All of those 3 calibers.
You get a total of 20 with that.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Oh, that's how it works.
All right. There goes some more right here, guys. I'm gonna scan over this real quick, real nice and slow so you can see it. Trying to move a little bit faster here. Starting to get busy out here. All right. You got your herders, really nice. 9mm Luger, 115 grain, full metal jacket, 100 rounds. All right. 115 grain. That's going for $34.99, and they have plenty of that. You got your 22 LR, 300 rounds. Nice pack. Winchester, limited edition, $39.99. You get 300 rounds with that. 44 Remington Mag, 240 grain, pack of 50 for $64.99. And I'll go slow on these. I'm not going to call these out since it's only a couple of packs here. Just so you guys can see it. You got your 45 Auto. All right, 230 grain for $54.99. 50 of them in a pack with that. 45 Auto on Sierra, 185 grain, $27.99, 20 cartridges. Federal 45 Auto, 137 grain, 50 cartridges for $42.99. You got your Remington 45 Auto, 230 grain, full metal jacket, 50 in a pack with that, 50 rounds, $31.99. Okay, you got your 22 LR, guys. Subsonic, 40 grain. How many you get in the pack with that? Looks like you get 100 cartridges with that. And I found these really cheap at Walmart. So if you're at Walmart, if you have it in your area, stock up on that. You got your Federal 9mm Luger, 115 grain for $19.99. And you get 50 in the cartridge with that, in a pack with that. You got your Federal 308 for $39.99, 168 grain. All right, 20 rounds. You got your what is this right here? Yeah, your Winchester yellow box 308. All right, 150 grain, 20 rounds with that, guys, and that's $34.99. You have your Remington 308, 150 grain for $29.99, and it's 20 rounds. You have your match, looks like here, 308, 178 grain, $42.99, and you get 20 cartridges in that. You got your Remington 308, 165 grain, $43.99. You get 20 cartridges in that. You have your Federal 308, Winchester 150 grain, 20 cartridges with that. That's $32.99, guys. Full metal jacket. Remington there again, 308 Winchester, $43.99, 180 grain. You have your Federal Premium here, 308 Winchester, 150 grain for $52.99. How many you get in the pack in that? Can't really see on that one. Oh, and with the Remington, if I didn't say how many was in the pack, it was 20 cartridges in the pack with that, guys. You have your Hornady 308 Winchester, 168 grain, $37.99. You have your Winchester Deer Season 308 Winchester, 150 grain, 20 rounds with that, and that's $32.99. All right, almost done here, guys. We have the Remington Premium 223, 50 grain, And it's a pack of 20. You get 20 rounds in that, $24.99. You have your white box Winchester 223, Remington 45 grain, 40 round value pack, guys. 40 round value pack. And you get, let's see, how much is that one? 40 round value pack. I believe it's $39.99, guys. It's the price of it. And you have your Russian ammo here, the 7.62 by 39 Tula ammo, $7.99. Not a bad price on it. 20 cartridges. All right. And they have plenty in stock on that, guys. Oh, and can't miss this, guys. Down low, right here, Ammo Incorporated 308. You get one of the tubs. You get 2 of them. Nice amount here. And it looks like you get 120 cartridges with that. Alright. And that looks like it's priced at $129.99. Alright. So right here was a 308. That's the price for the 308. And then right here is a 7.62 by 51 if you want a tub of that. And that's $124.99. 7.62 by 51. Alright. Alright guys, so that's what you get. Bass Pro Shop is stocked up. Of course they have more at the top. I'm gonna just let you guys read that nice and slow. I'm not gonna call this out. You can just look at the prices yourself. See what's going on. Excuse me guys. And also you have some more here, guys. So that's what you're getting here at the Bass Pro Shop. Alright, Opry Mills. And it's looking pretty good, guys. Y'all need some help or anything?
I was asking what you're doing.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, so I do like the ammo runs and stuff like that. I go around, I record. That way people can stay at home.
Right. No, I appreciate
shop.
that stuff.
Yeah, and stuff like that. So when it's a lot of ammo like this, it kind of gets tiresome because I have to literally, like, for my channel, I go through all of it.
So YouTube?
Yes.
What's your...
I'm not from this planet. It's like they got a lot of stuff, guys. Some of the guns they have here. Got some good stuff. Check that out, guys. That Kimber is nice. 45 ACP. Let's see what they have. Some good stuff. Oh, that's that shadow system a lot of people talk about. XR920, 889. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Got your Smith & Wessons here. M&Ps. I have that one. No, I don't. I have the 40 caliber one. That's the 9mm one. There. That one is nice, the XDM. Looks good. That Beretta looks really nice too. $569.99. Looks good. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them. And remember, I'm not from this planet.